Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to unblock users on Google Drive. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Google Drive application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or of course if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Google Drive. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, we have at the bottom the home screen, the start, shared, and the files in the bottom right corner. And in the top left corner, we have the recent, offline, spam, and the bin, and also the settings. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and unblock users on Google Drive. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. First of all, as you know, open the Drive application. At the top right, tap your profile picture. So basically tap your profile picture, as you can see here. And then click on Manage Your Google Account on this device. Click there. And then tap on People and Sharing Blocked. So if you have somebody blocked, you'll have it here. Basically, a list with accounts you blocked across Google products will appear. Next to the person's name, select remove, and the person will be removed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.